Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Nationalist Congress Party Kalaban pau baka kwa ban Pynïeng Kyrtong haka Ilekshon Shiteng Samoi haluk Sabha na Shillong constituency ya kani laban pau da President ke NCP Meghalaya u OK Sangma ulaong bagidan u Kyrtong ban Pynïeng Henry Kihap ban Pinkongo yakinong yalam bahador ulaong bah uslam ahrajar arpupra ha Meghalaya anak bandon ki MLA na ke NCP ulagentu ya baro gidukhat ka seng wakin Shiteng bat pinklan ya ka party na mar ke election ru kalajan Uloong bah ke Khasi Hills ba Giant Hills ke NPP kam da klaim bah kum ta uloong ba minta ke genti ha election ke seng ke de ban Shiteng ban pen klanya ke party.
Thank you. Thank you.
Rise again. We are organizing with our friends in Khasi Hills, Giant Hills, and Garo Hills. So next MLA election in 2028, there will be NCP MLAs in Meghalaya also. Let us say big club. As you are aware, in 2008, our NCP party have 13 MLAs. It became a kingmaker. It became a government formation. So after rising there, even in future also after 1 year, 2 years, because election is the corner, we will get more MLAs, so we will be in the government. So ladies and gentlemen, I am very happy. Let us try our level best. Election is the corner. Let us try and strengthen our party. As you are aware, NPP party now in the power. Maybe people are thinking that NPP party are powerful in Garo Hills. It is not like that. You already aware that in the last MP election, how NPP party meet the dust. They defeated by one candidate. They are nothing in Garo Hills. So in the coming MLA election or MDC election, there are apprehensions. Because of apprehension for the MDC election, they have cancelled and postponed the MDC election in Garo Hills. I think they have postponed for 6 months, maybe also 1 year, because they are so afraid to meet the defeat in the election of the MDC. So these are the case happening in Garo Hills also. So in Khasi Hills and Eljante Hills, NPP party is not so strong, I know very well. So during the time election, let us try our level best to strengthen our party, to select our party. So in the coming election, there will be MP by-election also in our Meghalaya. It means in Shillong constituency. We are trying our level best to convince our high command to put the candidate. We have candidate for MP election, but we have to convince the high command to allot the ticket. That is the case. Now our friends from Mumbai and Delhi are coming, so we have to convince them also so that we can put the candidate in Shillong by election. So if our party can put the candidate in Shillong, we should not go to other parties like Congress and NPP. So we can work and campaign to our own candidate. So we will try our level best.